What's going on, everybody? Tech Boss here. Today in this video we are going to do another clone unboxing of S9 Plus. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, we are having this S9 Plus screen guard. That is a really fake one. On the behind of that we have LG Vista 2 frame. What protector? That is really disappointed thing. First of all, and coming to the case is really good quality silicon case. That is exactly what Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is coming, same style, but the screen protector is really cheap and bad one. So the coming to the main box of phone, the quality is really good, and this is the best clone box unboxing I have ever done. So the opening of the box, on the top, as expected, we have the phone, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus clone. On the another side, let's go inside the box. There is one more box that we think that we are going to have a case, but there is not any case. There is only one quick start guide. So next is charger. That is not a fast charger, it is fake fast charging capabilities, exactly like the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy J5 headphones. That is really again disappointed. So and the last, not the last, this is the what USB Type C cable. And now let's take a look at the phone. So here's the phone. Let the plastic peel off. So here's the plastic off. This is the phone here, looks nice. On the back it is exactly the same like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus that will come in February end. So here's the phone. Absolutely amazing design. Not that much accurate, but normal. So the clone company is trying really good to hide this off. So now let's come to the phone. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus clone. That is a really good clone, and on the back we have dual camera like the on the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus we have single camera, and on the back we have this mirror finishing like the Samsung Galaxy S8, and the dual camera. And the second camera is for the dual purpose, that is the portrait and 2x optical zoom. And the fingerprint scanner is now changed and the camera position is vertical. So the fingerprint scanner position is changed. Now coming to the next thing, there the weight and the thickness of the phone. So we can't tell the exactly phone, but the clone is having the 10 millimeter of the thickness and the 190 gram. That is a really not that much thick, but approx a little bit thick. So and the skin is running like Samsung Galaxy S8 only. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 clone phone. So if you like this video, please clone thumbs up. And the phone is really amazing. It works more accurate than the Samsung Galaxy S7. So and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I am giving you more tech videos daily. And guys, the phone screen, coming to the phone screen, the screen is also really good. So friends, don't forget to subscribe. So friends, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.